Okay, so what I've done here is I've offered up the carpets just to see the positioning for it. So that's the middle one that goes under the seat, and then one for your legs as well. So what I'm going to do now is I've got it in the right position. So what we need to do is, if we use like a drill bit or something like that, we just need to mark now where the holes will go for the seats, just so you have everything lined up. So yeah, I'm just going to move the tripod over there so you can see this a little bit easier. Okay, and that's it. So the holes are now in the carpets, so I know where they are. So now what we'll do is we'll peel it back half at a time, so you keep it in position in the right place. So just peel it back, spray the adhesive, and put it back down again. That way we can maintain the carpet position. The front one we can always line up and spray that afterwards, but this is the important one now because your holes are marked, so we need to keep that in the same place, or else you're going to have to make new holes again. Always a good idea to check the holes as you go. I can very clearly see daylight through the holes on my one, so I know they're back in the right place, just in case it moved, but always best to check it. now just to do the other side, which is exactly the same process. So again, just mark the holes, glue it down, and then we're ready to sort of do the seats. But I do have the seat covers for the front seats again, so that will need to be done before I put them back in again. But we're nearly there. Car is looking really nice now, really clean and fresh compared to what it looked like before. Okay, so as you can see, nearly done with the carpeting. That's the boot, all nice and fresh now as well. The back of the seats, the back seats in as well. Ooh, just need to pick up a piece of dirt on that. And then this is the passenger side, all nice and done. So there's a few things still to do. I've got to put the side plates back on. So I do have the side plate here, but it actually has a map pocket, so I want to fix that and actually put the map pocket back in again, because I just think it'll be, yeah, it'll look really cool, and it gives you some extra storage because that's not very big. So at least you can put something in there, perhaps a water bottle or something, because there is no cup holders in this car as well. So same on that side. Just got that holding down. I put a little bit extra glue because it was lifting up. Oh, boss man's here. And then, yeah, same thing. I've got another piece of carpet just there to stick in, so I just need to do that one, and then yeah, I think she'll be complete. So just gonna do the seats. So I'm gonna have to, the seats are a little bit of a bigger job, so I need to cover the seats in their covers as well. Same as that, it'll match the back seats there as well. So yeah, I just need to do that, but I need a little bit more adhesive because I'm running out of adhesive at the moment. So gonna get some extra adhesive, and then I'll get the seats in, and then yeah, I can finally drive her again, because I've been itching to get back out and drive her, but obviously without the seats, very difficult. So yeah, can't wait to get the seats back in so I can get back in it and yeah, use the car again, because I was using this as a daily driver.